Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app, Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Okay, we're moving on to the next topic, which is, here's how to make $300,000 per year driving for Lyft. There is a guy who's making $300,000 a year driving for Lyft.
What the heck?
Yeah, let me pull this up, guys. Like, you do not want to miss this video, I swear. Here, I gotta pull up the right one here. Here we go. So yeah, this guy, for whatever reason, he's making a lot of money. Hold on, I gotta share this with you. Okay, can you see this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a guy named Cosmin Mihele. He's in our Uber/Lyft drivers Facebook group, which, by the way, you can join with the link below. Izzy, I know you're really bored, but listen up. You're yawning over there.
I'm not bored.
But Cosmin Mihele in our Facebook group, guys, we're almost at 20,000 Facebook members. Should join, right?
Yeah, definitely join.
Yeah, you can type this in Uber/Lyft drivers Facebook group or use the link below.
It gets lit in there.
Yeah, it's pretty lit. Like this guy, people share their secrets. This guy says, so he's made $1,100 in 14 hours of driving. So let me do the math on this real quick, right? Let's go to Google, google.com. So he made, right, look at this, 14 hours. He made $1,100 in 14 hours, which translates to $78 an hour, right?
That's crazy.
Yeah, so he's making $78 an hour, which, let's just say you're driving 84 hours a week. Let's say you're pulling, that's 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. And you're doing that for every single week. You're making $343,000 a year. It's possible. What do you think about that, Izzy?
Yeah, but what are the chances that, because this was just like a lucky weekend, right? Like,
No, I know, but let's look.
It's not going to be like that every day.
Yeah, I know. That's why you have an extra $40,000 buffer zone. So sometimes it's not going to be like that. Like it might not be like that all the time, but that's why if you do it every single hour, 340,000. That's why we're given a little $40,000 buffer zone. So let's look at these rides, right? So this guy, he made $137 on this ride. You want to read this off?
Yeah, so the base rate is 72 cents. The time, an hour and 37 minutes. And they made $21.18 from that. The distance, they made $71.17. There was a $34 tip, $3.75 bonus, and then you get reimbursed for the tolls, which was $6.32. So the whole ride was $137.55. So,
firstly, he made a big tip on that.
Yeah.
I've never.
Yeah, 61 miles is far.
Yeah. Yeah, that's like it's going to like LA to, I don't know, San Luis Obispo. No, Santa Barbara, right? No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'd be like an hour and a half or more.
Or going to Toronto to Vancouver.
That is not.
Try to do
That'd be like
Canadian.
a 4-day drive or like a 1 week drive.
That's like going to Vancouver Island.
Sure.
Right or no? I'm trying to do Canadian.
Without the ferry. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's that's the first one. Now look at the second one. You want to read this one?
Yeah, so the base rate was $11.34. This was a 25-minute ride, and so from the time they made $14.45. Distance was over 15 miles, made $42.94. $14.60 in tips, $2.59 for toll reimbursement, which totaled to $85.92 in only 25 minutes. That's
good.
So like if you got this twice in an hour, that would be 170.
Yeah. 170 an hour. I mean, so that's why
That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, if you're doing this, if you're doing 170, what is that? 170 an hour, right?
Yeah.
84 hours a week. 52 weeks a year. You're making $740,000 a year. That's over that's almost $1 million. You could literally be making almost $1 million a year if you can pull this off.
Oh, not bad, not good says no one has time to do that.
I mean, if you're making $740,000 a year, I think you do got time to do that, though. I mean, I'm just saying, you could buy a lot of Dogecoin with $742,000. $700,000. I mean, is that real? Did I do the math on that correctly? Okay, so he's making $85 in 25 minutes. $86 even. So he's making $86. $86 in 25 minutes. Right? So what?
Yeah.
So 25 minutes in 60 minutes. So that's 0.41 of an hour. Okay. So if he's making $86, gosh, how do I do the math on this? He's $86. So he can do two. He can do about two of those. What? 2.2 of those in an hour. So 86 times 2.2. Yeah, he's making $189 an hour times 84 hours a week, because that's the limit, 12 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Yeah.
For 52 weeks. Come on. We're saying no days off, but let's just say this is what you're doing. You're making grand total of $800,000 a year.
This is but no one's gonna do this.
Why not? I mean, yeah,
also,
yeah.
Well, what city do they live in? What city is this?
It's actually in my city, but don't tell them where it is.
Oh.
Yeah, I actually know this guy.
Oh.
But don't tell them where it is. It's near LA. We'll put it that way. It's
in Timbuktu.
Yeah, Timbuktu, LA. No, it's near Los Angeles. But yeah, I mean, this is how you become a millionaire. I should really make a whole video about how to become a millionaire as an Uber driver, because I mean, this
that should be the next live stream title.
For real.
Become an Uber millionaire.
For real though, I mean, this guy's making $180 an hour? $170 an hour? I mean, that's crazy. Okay, we're gonna move on, guys, but that's how you make a big bucks. Oh, by the way, I know this guy. He uses Uber Black, and he does Uber XL as well, I think. So these are...
Oh, like Uber Black XL?
I think he has a car that qualifies for Uber Black XL, and Uber XL. I think he hits all of the big rides. So I think this was an Uber Black ride, for 25 minutes.
that makes sense. And
Yeah.